For years, this Mustang sat forgotten, submerged in water, eaten by rust, abandoned by time. Recovery wasn't easy. It took machines and a team that refused to give up. This was the moment it left its grave and started its journey back to life. Every mile on the highway was a step closer to redemption. The team was ready, tools laid out, no delays. Real restoration starts now. First step, remove years of decay, air, pressure, and patience. Then came water, washing away years of neglect. To build something new, the old had to come off. Midnight blue, not just paint, a rebirth. From underwater wreck to roaring American muscle.